So we have an interesting one here today. The question is, can you put your car into an LLC and then have your LLC be owned by your trust? Before we get to this little quirky answer, I'd like you to think about a friend who's being challenged with a what-if scenario that creeped into their lives. But they're a little better prepared because you shared this video. We would appreciate it, as will your friend. I'm Valerie Zammitti, an estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey. We're here to educate everyone for free. So please, share your questions with us, and hopefully along the way we can help some people together. Now, if you purchase your car, say, in the name of your business, then an LLC can be appropriate if your business is an LLC. I wouldn't suggest creating an LLC to own your car unless you, again, already own a business and you're purchasing that car under your business. So yes, your vehicle can be owned by an LLC. Now, of course, if you have a trust as your estate plan because you have a business and other circumstances that warrant a trust as your core estate planning tool, then your LLC interest will be owned by your trust or could be owned by your trust. That is highly recommended. When you utilize a trust, when you have a business interest, you don't want that business interest to go through probate, so you would assign it to your trust, the ownership of that LLC. There is one caveat, though. So there are some businesses, such as professionals, right, where we require a particular license to be able to practice what we do, to be able to do the type of career that we have. And if you have a particular certification, it can create complexity if you're going to try to have a joint trust with your spouse who is not licensed in that same profession. And in that way, it is sometimes advisable to actually have separate trusts for the spouses so that the business interest of the professional spouse who has a profession that comes with a certification of some kind, some sort of licensing, they can still own it under a trust title rather than their business interest going through the probate process. I know we got into a little business a little bit more, but that's really the only reason why you're going to put your car underneath an LLC. So we hope that you've learned something new here today, that you choose to share. And as always, please take care.